Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2012 Ford Expedition. Going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping right up front to look at those tires. Good tread depth there. Just going to be looking for dents, stings, scratches as we come down the driver's side. It's a nice pearl white paint. Driver's side looks nice and clean. You do have your backup camera as well as trailer tow. One little prior repair there on the bumper. Little scuff there on that piece of trim. Exterior looks good. Looking inside the vehicle, you do get full power as well as a few memory settings for the driver's seat. It's a nice black perforated leather. 89,387 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, CD, all your climate control functionality just below it there. You do get heated and cooled seats. Flooring surface is going to be black to match the seats. Looking now in the back seat, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface. No signs of any rips, tears back here. Multiple power outlets. You do get heated rear seats and then your rear air control. Looking in the cargo area now, there is a little bit of additional storage underneath the floor here. These seats are electronically controlled up and down, so we can go ahead and set this seat back up. Show you there, everything does work. Gives you a nice good amount of cargo space back here. That second row seating can also be laid down, giving you full pass-through storage to the back of the front seats. Coming in from the passenger side now, just taking one more look around. We'll go ahead and flip and fold these seats, revealing access to that third row. Third row seating looks great, no signs of any use back here. We'll wrap up in the front passenger seat, full power for the passenger as well as the driver. Going to take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2012 Ford Expedition.